apartment, we have a closet space, a little sink. We're checking out, so toilet, shower. Shower is a little like rusty, but for what you pay for the night, I don't think it was too bad. Over here was kind of grand. Again, for what you're paying, we didn't really mind. We have 2 beds. Like I said, we're checking out. We're doing a little backwards this time. Good sized TV, microwave, remote, and a nice big fridge. It's like waist tall fridge, so that's good. And then you got a chair here, chair there. Not much of a parking lot. But overall, for the money, I think it's a good stay. I do want to note, however, that these plugs did not work. We were plugging stuff in and it never charged, so that's just another thing. And then your phone. And there's an ironing board and a little thing for your luggage. And for cool fashion, visit kissadouday.com.